Mommy's home. You ready to get out? There you go. You ready to get out too? There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'm about to take these crazy dogs outside. I cannot take the camera with me, otherwise I'll probably drop it. Because they're crazy. But I'll talk more when I get inside. They took forever to pee. Alright, I just finished editing the vlog. I'm waiting for it to finish downloading and then I'm going to upload. And it is 5:30 in the afternoon. That freaking yellow ball. Look at her, it's all she cares about. Do you love that yellow ball? Do ya? Do you want me to throw it? Huh? Good girl. Barrett folded laundry for me. Now I just have to put it all away. Fun. Thanks, Bear. Thanks. Honestly, I thought about it for like 30 seconds and I don't really want to put the laundry away. So I think maybe I'll just do it tomorrow. What can I say? I've been up since 5:30 in the morning. It's 5:30 in the evening. I need to shower, eat dinner, and go to bed. And I doubt tomorrow's vlog will be any better. Got a good life. Noodles, YouTube, and dogs. What more could you ask for, really? Okay, so I finished eating dinner and the vlog has been uploading for at least an hour and it's on 11%. Joy. Wonderful. Look. See? 11%. It's 6:33. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to come back and see what it's on. Fingers crossed that it'll be almost done uploading when I get out of the shower. Because I really just don't want to wait and stay up because I'm tired. Alright, so I'm listening to my audiobook on Audible before I go to sleep. And Barrett won't be home till 10 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock now. The video is at, it was at 18%. Last I checked like 3 or 4 minutes ago. I'll have Barrett check it tonight when he gets home to make sure that it uploaded. But I'm going to bed, so good night. See you in tomorrow's video. Okay, so Barrett just picked me up from work and I'm just now about to make the video public. It didn't finish uploading until maybe like 30 minutes ago. So
you gotta see what day it is.
Why?
There's references. No. Just kidding.
Well, in the scene before, I was like, it should be up in the morning.
Oh, gotcha.
I was like, Barrett will upload it tonight.
Oh, okay.
And if it's not,
okay.
he doesn't even know what I'm talking about.
It's up now.
What?
Well, no, it's uploaded, but
Well, it'll be up when they watch this.
that's true. It will be up when you watch this.
So, it'll be up when you watch this. We're going back to our apartment because Barrett forgot to bring me a change of clothes. So I'm gonna change clothes and then we're gonna go to my mom's house and have the best smoothies ever. Aren't they the best smoothies ever?
They are the best smoothies ever.
They are the best smoothies ever. Here comes Barrett with my clothes. The best. Thank you.
Oh god.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Appreciate ya.
Of course.
Appreciate ya.
What jam?
Where's Mom?
Are you asking me? I don't know.
I'm asking them.
Obviously
I'm
not
asking
here.
Mom. Where are you, Mom?
Mom!
What the heck? He doesn't even care about me. He wants the camera. Come here. Come here. Okay. Fine. Dang. Model dog. My bedroom has been turned into the home of chickens. Oh. Close the door. I don't want Charlie to eat them. Look at the little cuties. It's kind of smelly in here. I don't want to pick it up. I don't want to hurt it.
You picked them up when they were tinier than that.
Oh, it's stinky. What if he pecks at me? He's scared of me.
You picked them up before.
Oh, he's scared of me.
Pick up one of these ones. These are their OG chicks, right?
Hey, babies! They're a little big. Yeah, no.
Pick one up.
No, they're a little big for me. I'll just look at them. No, I'm good.
Are they scary?
Kinda. Kinda big. They're like mini dinosaurs. Oh my god, I can't pick him up. He just flew up there. I didn't know chickens could fly. No, please don't. Oh my god, he's trying to escape. Here, hold my phone. He's trying to escape. Look at him. Look at him. He's looking at it like he's gonna escape.
Grab him.
No.
Grab the chicken.
I can't touch him.
He's totally gonna escape.
He's look at him.
Let's leave. So if he escapes, it's not our fault.
He could die.
Oh god.
That
That made me jump so much.
Let's leave so that he's up when we leave. Okay, proof. We left and they were all still in their cages. Let's go. Perfect timing.
I was watching your vlog.
Wow,
I didn't get to see any of the videos.
Yeah, you're not allowed to until Barrett clears up his language.
Sorry.
He said no
Lee
bad
didn't-
words.
Lee didn't tell me until today.
No, the last
so.
one, there was some song playing that was like,
That has nothing to do with Barrett.
no, that wasn't. But before
What
that,
song?
it was,
Brianna.
That was on that one she just watched.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
gotcha.
one before that, I think you said,
I was talking about Daisy's Yellow Wall.
Literally.
No.
Literally.
I said when
Literally.
ball was life because she was chasing the balls. The ball.
That's the thing.
Is it good? Ooh, fart. How do you open? It's gonna take forever to dry.
That's good.
Okay.
So what's the plan for this one?
The plan is
Under the sea. Not like the Little Mermaid, because I'm not that good.
What? That's
But
what you
like,
just sang.
No, like under the sea, like literally like the ocean.
So just
I'm not good enough to like put the Little Mermaid on here, and I can't draw Ariel.
I'm telling you, if I can draw Mario, you can draw Ariel.
Hey, we're drawing Ariel. So I just wanted to explain real quick why we were painting rocks. So my mom, I don't know how, but she found some group on Facebook called 918 Rocks. So you're supposed to hide the rocks and post clues on the Facebook page telling people like where they are so people can try to go and find them. That's it. So she had a bunch of rocks that she painted, and so while I was there I decided to paint some too. So fun. Are you gonna say goodnight?
good night.
Ow. Can you talk to the camera at all, or am I the
Goodnight.
only one who can talk to the camera?
Good night. What do you want me to say?
Okay, so I am going to upload all the footage from the vlogs from today and yesterday so that I can edit them all tomorrow when I get off work. But we're gonna go to sleep. If the dogs will let us go to sleep if they stop fighting.
They're crazy.
So, good night.
Good night.
See you on Friday.